Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a little bit of a different one. So we're actually at HPP right now, but we're not going to be at HPP for this one. We're actually going to get in the car. We've got to go home, do some packing, then drive back to Kent, pick up our van, pack the van, drive, I think it's like 12, 13 hours across Europe till we get to Slovenia. And then we are going to be going boating in Slovenia, which is great fun. Went there a few years ago, absolutely loved it, always said we'd go back. So we're going back. Lock in, enjoy the journey, let's go. The Soca Valley for so many European people is the go-to paddling destination for summer. It's got reliable water, it's got brilliant views, everyone there is amazing. However, this is the first year in recorded history that the Soca was starting to run out of water. That being said, low water, way better than no water, eh? So, as you're watching this, just bear in mind, usually there is some more water going down this incredible section of whitewater, but it is always what you make of it that is what makes it fun. So sit back, enjoy. The Soca Valley was absolutely awesome fun. Like I said earlier, it's the first time in recorded history that it's actually been looking like it's running out of water, which says a lot. However, it held steady at a low level, it wasn't pumping, but it is exactly how much fun you're able to have on a river is so down to you. As you can tell, we're back home in the UK. I got so caught up in heading on to the next trip that I forgot to film the outro for this video. Absolute classic move by me. If you enjoyed this video, click just here, please subscribe. If you want to see anything more, just down here, and then I hope you enjoy that one. But for now, enjoy your times on the rivers, make as much fun as you can, have fun.